All right, hello. This time I wanted to show my little experiment. I spent like 2 hours trying to recreate Unreal Engine blueprint systems like UI. So I took as an example this screen where there's like a node, there's some equality check, and there's some output, and I kind of went in and you know made it look similar. I copied some colors, made some nodes. They are draggable, and as you can see, the lines are following along. So I really started with this simple draggable element example from V3 schools. So there's a div, which is this, and it has a header, which is this. There's a blue one, and so the HTML is this, rather small. And to make it draggable, they call drag element on my div, so this one. So this is pretty much what I used. I've got the positions, and I got the elements position update when the drag is over. So that's pretty much it. Let me go to code. So I didn't worry about formatting, but I preserved my div class like they had. So I renamed things a bunch. So I made it a class, not referencing the ID, so the header, and I really just added a bunch of classes to represent different colors of those headers. So here there's like a function, there's like another function, whatever, and this is the event capturing node in Unreal Blueprints editor. So this is that, and just a bunch of rules. Like there's a, let me show it maybe on a example. So whenever we have an element, which is the node, we can see. So bam, bam. Yeah, this is not a good one. So this is for launch velocity thing where the target is. Let me show you. All right, so this is for this one. So the target comes with this knob, target, target in, and I'm using these IDs a bunch to capture where the lines should come out and come in. So for the header, as I was talking or was saying, yeah, it's a default header without the modification. In other examples, the header can be event node header, a slight modification on the color. Like here, for example, the red, here is the green, and here's the default. And in order to say that something that the line is supposed to come out of this, I again specify the ID. So straightforward CSS crap. And then later, I have all the lines predefined. I know, for example, that the line is going to go from overlap out into launch in. So this is the ID composed of the ID, for example. So this is the overlap node, right? So overlap out. This is the overlap out. I can do it like this too. So this is the overlap out, ID overlap out, and this is a launch in, ID launch in, and this is the path. And later, when I decide to update stuff, so I have my IDs defined, as you just saw, overlap out, launch in, and a bunch of others. On the initial render, I do the function redraw connections. I have to say, um, the redraw, the generate path was created with the help of ChatGPT. I didn't want to spend much time on the freaking small test, but anyway, I'm iterating over all the components I want and just generate a path or update the path of those respective SVGs. So predefined SVGs, the path, again for specific connections, and there you go. The lines are a bit off, but you know, for the initial design and test, this is actually quite cool. I will see if I actually use it for JSON logic stuff I'm really passionate about. But anyway, I hope you like this small intro. I spent 2 hours on it. I didn't want to do a system of some stuff again. Systems are hard. HTML is also hard, but more fun and easy to immediately see the results. So yeah, cheers and bye bye.